7th grade. Unit 4. Wild Animals Vocabulary and Sample Sentences Part 3. Ivory. People use ivory to make decorative objects. Jaw. Lions can open their jaws up to 28 centimeters wide. Jump. Rabbits can jump but turtles can't. Jungle. She wrote a book about her adventures in the jungle. Justice. Children have a natural sense of justice. Kangaroo. The little kangaroo is hopping on the grass. Keep. We should keep the environment clean. Kill. Fishers kill the seals and give harm to their habitats. Kind. There are different kinds of animals in the forest. Land. Hippos live in water and on land. Lay eggs. Penguins aren't mammals. They lay eggs. Layer. A layer of dust covered the city. Lead. Overhunting leads wildlife to disappear. Leaf. Trees start to lose their leaves in November. Leg. A hen has 2 legs and wings. Lifespan. Turtles in general have a long lifespan. Lift. My father can lift heavy things. He is very strong. Lion. Lions are large, strong animals with brown fur. Lizard. A lizard has got a long tail. Mammal. Whales are very large mammals. Marsh. Crocodiles live in marshes or rivers. Measure. Asian elephants measure about 3 meters. Meat. People hunt animals for their meat or fur. Monkey. A monkey is cleverer than a zebra. Mountain. Wolves, owls and bears live in the mountains. Nail. Cats have sharp nails. Narrow. She has narrow shoulders. Neck. Giraffes have got a long neck. Ocean. There are lots of strange fish in the ocean. Octopus. The octopus is an animal with 8 long arms. Ostrich. The ostrich is a very fast animal on 2 legs. Overhunting. Dodos became extinct because of overhunting. Owl. Owls hunt small mammals at night. Paw. My kitten is black with white front paws. Peace. People have little hope for world peace. Penguin. Penguins like being near water and eating fish. Pet. Lily loves animals, and she has got lots of pets. Plant. Plants need water to grow. Pocket. A kangaroo carries its baby in its pocket. Poisonous. Snakes are poisonous reptiles.